How to add accounts through cash on delivery process. Step 1. Go to your Buy tab and click Membership Package. Click Buy Package. Select the membership package of your choice. Click on Add to Cart. Click on Go to your cart. Go to your order summary and double-check your purchases. Indicate your contact details. Click Proceed to Payment to finalize your order. Indicate active contact number in placing orders to ensure your order status info. Select your payment method. Click Place Order. You will receive a notification confirming your order. Step 2. For cash on delivery orders, take note of your Payment Verification Code or PVC on your invoice receipt. Step 3. Activate your account through the e-codes generated by the system. Step 4. Go to your Genealogy tab to see your network or binary tree. You will see a pending notification for activating your additional account. Step 5. A notification will pop up regarding your e-codes being generated. Step 6. Go to your e-codes history, double-check your e-codes description, and click Activate to finalize your new account. Step 7. Manually select your e-code. You can choose any e-code if you purchase 2 or more additional accounts. Step 8. After clicking Submit, you will be redirected to your network. Congratulations! You will receive a notification regarding your newly registered accounts.